Oh, hi guys. So, today we're going to be doing a very fragile unboxing. I went to this place because it was Amelia's birthday, and it was called the North Pole, and Santa was there. But you didn't go all the way to North Pole, so it was called North Pole, Colorado. And there was this glass blowing shop, and they blew glass, and there was an audience, and I was one of them, and it was so incredible. So I'm going to unbox it and see what he let me get. There's the first one. Is there 3 in there? I'll never know. Well, I don't even know if there's something in this one, so I think this one's just wrapping to keep the top layer protected. Or, here's one. Oh, oops. Hold on, guys. I have to do something real quick, unwrap it a lot more. Oh, okay, so I unboxed it and it took almost forever because these things are so fragile. And he makes them out of glass. It starts out just like a piece of glass. Oh, oops. So here it is. It is a little mini glass vase with flowers. That's glass. So I am planning on putting this in my Barbie house because, that is just so fragile. It's so pretty too. What's this? Let's grab the bottom one. It's probably just protection again, but I'm pretty sure there's something in here. Protection. No. I saved this, so no offense. But so this was mine because I like the way this glass looks and those flowers. If you guys know Molly, and my name's Elizabeth. So Molly's, she picked out. Hold on. Okay, she picked out this one. I also think it's okay cute, but I have to kind of set it up because it fell out of the package while it was getting here. And it was in Colorado Springs, so we were there for ever. And there was so many, I wish my camera would stop falling. So we went to Colorado Springs. And Molly's vase is this little Cholulu kind of. And it's a nice little fish jar that you could use, but it's for a flower vase. And she has red, pink, and white. That's very pretty too. So here are the things that we got. And it came in this box, so I can keep it for, I think, what I must assume is giving people presents. And yeah, exactly what I'm probably gonna do. So I'll let you guys keep on looking at them. Let me just straighten my camera so you guys can look at them for a little bit. So comment down below if you guys have ever been to that North Pole in Colorado Springs. And if you have, nice job, because that place is so fun. And I also went to this magic show. There was no bunny in this cart. And he opened it. He brought it back out, and there was a flippin' bunny in there. I couldn't believe my eyes. He even opened and showed it to us. Okay, well that's going to be in there. So if you guys enjoyed this video, please give it a like, subscribe, and remember, always stay happy and be happy little life.